Welcome to this tutorial on the AceToolz Password Generator tool. In today's digital world, strong and unique passwords are essential for protecting your accounts and sensitive information. A password generator helps you create secure, random passwords that are much harder to crack than anything you might think of yourself. You can find the password generator under the Generate Tools menu in the navigation. This is the tool interface. As you can see, there are lots of options to customize your password, so let me explain some excellent features of this tool. First, you'll notice we have various presets available here, including maximum security, easy to remember, easy to type, PIN, and custom. All these presets have the settings already configured for you based on common use cases. But if you want full control over every aspect of your password, simply use the custom option and select your own settings, character types, and special requirements. You can see the strength indicator of the generated password displayed here. It shows whether your password is weak, fair, good, strong, or very strong. You can increase or decrease the length of the password using this slider and watch how it affects the overall strength in real time. One very useful preset is the pin preset. With this option, you can generate number-only pins of various lengths, perfect for security codes, lock combinations, or any situation where you need a numeric password. And if the generated password doesn't suit your needs, simply use this refresh button to generate a new one instantly. Keep clicking until you find one you like. Once you're satisfied with your password, use the copy button to copy it directly to your clipboard and you're ready to use it. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful tool for creating secure passwords in seconds. Try it out at acetools.com. Thank you for watching.